Hello everyone, welcome to RUDRA Surgicals from Mumbai, India. We are manufacturer exporter of laparoscopic, gynecology, urology instruments and equipments. Today in this video we are presenting our cystoscopy sheath. It is designed for smooth entry, clear vision and easy instrument movement during cystoscope. The size is available 15 FR, which is made up of high quality stainless steel, 17 FR and 19 FR with many more sizes, which is strong, durable and safe for urology procedure. For more details or placing the orders, you can contact RUDRA Surgicals, Mumbai, India. Thank you.